Hello, everybody. In this moment, we are talking about inventory management. Inventory management is the supervision of a company's inventory, ordering, storing, and selling products in the market. This includes managing the warehousing and processing of raw materials, components, and finished products. Effective inventory management keeps a company organized. It also provides critical data to help businesses respond to trends, avoid breakdowns in supply chain management, and maintain profitability. And then we move to accounting for inventory. For accounting purposes, inventory represents a current asset since a company typically intends to sell its finished goods within a short period of time, usually no more than a year. Inventory has to be physically counted or measured before it can be put on a balance sheet. Companies often maintain sophisticated inventory management systems capable of tracking inventory levels in real time. Inventory can be accounted for in several ways: first in, first out, or FIFO costing, and then last in, first out, or LIFO costing, and weighted average costing. An inventory account typically consists of four separate categories. The first category is raw materials. Raw materials represent the various materials a company purchases for its production process. These materials must undergo significant work for a company to transform them into a finished good ready for sale. And then the second, work in process. Work in process, also known as goods in process, represents raw materials in the process of being transformed into a finished product. And then the third, finished goods are completed products readily available for sale to a company's customers. And then fourth, merchandise represents finished goods a company buys from a supplier for future resale. And then we move to inventory management methods. Inventory management methods vary depending on business structures and sizes, but ultimately enhance operations by reducing waste and managing costs. These are some common methods. We start from the first, just in time, or JIT. Just in time, or JIT, inventory management aims to maximize efficiency and lower costs by coordinating inventory arrival with the start of production. The good of this method is to keep as little inventory on hand as possible and still meet a high production volume level for the product's demand. To have a successful JIT inventory business, you'll need proper forecasting of needs and close relationships with dependable suppliers. And then the second, day of sales inventory or DSI. The day sales in inventory or DSI is a sales monitoring and inventory tracking measurement tool. The DSI is also called the average age of inventory because it calculates how long it takes for a business to sell its inventory and considers how long the current inventory will last. And then the third, economic order quantity or EOQ. Economic order quantity or EOQ is a formula used to calculate the optimal order size to meet demand and stay within budget. EOQ is useful for any business, large or small, that manage inventory. The goal is to reduce the amount of over ordering and waste, lower the cost of storage, and maximize quantity discounts offered by vendors. And then fourth, material requirements planning or MRP. Material requirements planning or MRP is a supply planning system that helps manufacturing businesses determine the inventory requirements to meet a product's demand. MRPs function based on demand and bill of materials or BOM by examining the types of materials needed, the required amount of each material, and the manufacturing completion date. And then we move to the benefits of inventory management. The two main benefits of inventory management are that it ensures, you are able to fulfill incoming or open orders and raises profits. Inventory management also, the first, saves money. Understanding stock trends means you see how much of and where you have something in stock, so you're better able to use the stock you have. This also allows you to keep less stock at each location, like store or warehouse, as you're able to pull from anywhere to fulfill orders. And then second, satisfies customers. One element of developing loyal customers is ensuring they receive the items they want without waiting. And then the third, improves cash flow. With proper inventory management, you spend money on inventory that sells, so cash is always moving through the business. And then finally, we move to the key challenges of inventory management. The first, short-term setup costs. These systems come with initial investments and startup costs. This can be especially difficult for small and mid-sized businesses to handle. And then the second, training and user adoption. Training employees to work with the multiple tasks involved in using an advanced inventory management systems can be difficult, and users aren't always happy to have to learn a new systems. And then the third, data errors. Traditional inventory management system typically involves manual data collection and entry, which can lead to mistakes and inconsistencies. And finally, fourth, large inventories and storage locations. The sheer size of warehouses and other storage locations can make it difficult to shift through products to find and what is needed at a given time, or even know how much of a product is available. I think it is enough for this session. Thanks for watching, and don't forget give this channel with your like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.